Hey everybody, this is Jeff Jones. I am the owner and the founder of theboxmen.com, where we have changed the way you should watch TV. Now, in this short video, I found a 10-year-old mystery device that still records flawlessly, and I'm going to give you the secret sauce or the name of it at the end of this video. Now, what I want to do is show you how it does what it does. Before that, if this is your first time to the YouTube channel, the Stream Machines, or maybe you're on our other platforms, you can see the links for those below in the description. But let's just jump right in the video. Now, this device is over 10 years old. This is the 10th year of this device. And one of the best things I love about different media devices is how far you can push the envelope. Simply meaning, if you have live TV and you like internet streaming, some people like to record. And if a 10-year-old box is as clear as this one, then you're going to find out what it is at the end of this video, towards the end. Now, as you can see, it's a very simple looking homepage. It should give you an idea with this app right here, this My TV Online. It should tell you exactly what box it is, but maybe you don't know. But this is a 10-year-old device, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring up some pictures. Now, since I'm on YouTube, I can't go into the actual live portion of it because of the programming and all of that, so I will show pictures. So the first picture, one thing this thing does is in the EPG, if you slide a thumb drive in the side of the device, you just have to press the record button. And as you can see, I press the record button and it's like a 30-minute duration. Now, there is no scheduler, and it will let you know right before it starts recording if you either want to keep it there or actually just go to the channel. And once you have it there, you can just sit back. If you leave or whatnot, you can leave the TV off and the box on. It will still record the show. Now, I did this morning, or actually this is the picture from tonight. I set the record there, but I did record something this morning, and I'll show that towards the end of the video. Now, once you have the record section set up, all you have to do is wait for it to happen. And as you move on down, I'm going to show you pictures of the recording and actually 6 seconds of something I recorded this morning, and it was absolutely flawless. And this device is, like I said, I keep coming back to that, 10 years old. So if this device is able to do that because the manufacturer is actually Formular. This is a Formular device. So basically, let me put up here, you have the screenshot of the guide with the record button. Make sure your thumb drive is in the side. And then you can see in the pictures that I put up the sections on when, how it recorded, how it saved to the recordings to your device. It's saved to the thumb drive, how you're able to watch that at a later time, and even right now, the 6-second video of that. You can see that right there. And that is how easy it is to record on a Formular device. Now, my biggest thing is I hear all the time that there's so many media devices that are flooding the market, You got all these, like a SuperStream, a Superbox, a VC, Tangula. I seen one Digi Extreme with Cat TV, Cat VOD, Cat Playback. If you haven't noticed, it's all the same stuff. So they keep feeding you the same stuff with different names, and there's no difference. Formular is the #1 box manufacturer, in my opinion, because this 10-year-old BB1 outplays all those boxes and even outplays NVIDIA Shield, even outplays a Buzz TV. I've tried all of them, but nothing of a legacy box will give you the quality, ease of use that this one does. I just wanted to show this. Hopefully this video will spark some questions. If you're interested in one of these devices, I think I have 20 of them. I mean, they just sent them to me for free. I think I'm going to sell them for $85 each one, but it's just well worth it because it's not going to go down. And if this older formula, BB1, does this, imagine what a newer one can do. And I want to thank all the new customers that came aboard, all 22 of you this week alone. Thank you for choosing the Boxman and our affiliates. We are so grateful to help you start your streaming journey. I'm going to end this video with the invitation to find out more. If you're interested or know someone that wants an easy box or maybe something easy to use, maybe something like a Z11 Pro Max, I resell those at a very great price. You're looking at about $160 for a Z11 Pro Max from me. You go anywhere else, you're going to spend $200. Text us, call us, let us know your interest, and we appreciate you always for tuning in to the Stream Machines, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you solve them one video at a time. Have a good weekend. Thank you guys for watching the video. Without any further ado, this little black box is an older formula device. This box is 10 years old, brand new, and still runs better than an NVIDIA Shield. It runs better than any SuperStream, SuperBox, VC, all those boxes that are flooding the whole market. A no-name box called a BB1 is recording and has excellent quality. So, Formula is the best brand out there, hands down, when their old legacy boxes are beating the newer ones. I know. Leave your comments below. But game recognizes game, y'all. Talk to you soon.